Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're doing a crucial update on Avnt. The daily view remains bearish and under resistance, and the H4 is currently a neutral area. However, if you zoom in, I see a beautiful possible bull setup here on the H1 chart with a clear triangle break and retest setting up. The price structure looks good for another bull move toward the upper resistances, which were previous supports on the higher time frame. This potential bull consolidation is valid above $1.150, which is a key level to watch. If we maintain that, the next step I see is 1.500. For those unfamiliar, Avnt is a perpetual DEX on the Base network, offering leveraged trading, and it has strong fundamental momentum. Our lower supports to watch are 1.150, 1.10, 1.060, and $1. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. To join our new VIP group, just click the bot link in the description. Peace out.